Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for IIT JEE. Begin by mastering the basics, such as EU-Pack nomenclature and isomerism, ensuring you can confidently name and identify compounds. Next, delve into reaction mechanisms, drawing out each step to visualize electron movement and intermediate formation. A solid understanding of general organic chemistry, or GOC, is crucial for building upon these foundational concepts. This systematic approach will set you up for success. Once you have the fundamentals down, dedicate significant time to practicing reaction mechanisms. Don't just memorize, understand the why behind each step. Solve a diverse range of problems from standard textbooks and past IIT JEE papers to solidify your understanding and identify weak areas. Additionally, create your own concise summary notes for important reactions, reagents, and their specific conditions. This active recall method significantly boosts retention. To truly excel, challenge yourself with multi-step synthesis problems. These require you to link various reactions and reagents, mimicking the complexity of actual exam questions. Pay close attention to common pitfalls and exceptions in organic reactions, as these are often tested. Make it a habit to regularly review named reactions, understanding their specific conditions and applications. This deep dive into problem solving will sharpen your analytical skills and boost your confidence. Consistent revision is paramount. Schedule dedicated time to revisit all organic chemistry topics regularly. This reinforces your memory and prevents forgetting crucial details. Crucially, take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual IIT JEE exam environment. Analyze your performance to identify areas needing more attention and refine your time management strategies. And hey, while you're studying hard, remember to check the description for a link to grab Some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your study space fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.